Greetings of the day. Welcome back to the SolidWorks tutorial. This is flange coupling. In this video, we are going to learn how to create the flange and how to assemble it and how to fix it with a nut and bolt. Also, we are going to learn how to create the animation wizard of the explode and collapse of the flange coupling. Okay. Let's start. Initially, go to new, select part, say OK. Then go to the front plane and sketch. Here we have to draw one circle from the center point. The circle diameter will be 220 mm. Okay, exit from the sketch, go to the extrude boss base. This thickness will be 22 mm. Then enter. Then again we have to select this face and sketch. Take a circle from the center point. This circle dia will be 120 mm. Then exit from the sketch, go to the extrude boss base. This length will be 120. 120. Enter. Say OK. Then select this face, make normal. Again take a circle. Okay, first take a sketch, then take a circle. This circle dia will be 100 mm. Enter. Exit from the sketch. Now go to the extrude cut. Then through all, fine, say OK. Okay, then this is a flange and we have to give the fillet over here. The radius will be 4 mm. Say OK. Then next we have to create the hole over here. For that, in the features we have to select the hole wizard. Then in the hole type we have to select this normal hole. Then here select the screw clearance. Then select the M16 and just here select the normal and here through all. Okay, after selection this all, then go to the position. Here select this face, click over here, then take a smart dimension from this point to the circle center. This dimension will be 85 mm. Also select this point and from the origin it should be the vertical. Fine. Now exit from the sketch. Now go to the circular pattern. Here select this surface. Then feature 6 instances. Fine. Here feature to be pattern. Select this one. 6 quantity. Fine. Say OK. Fine, our flange is done. Now what we have to do is we have to just save this one. Flange, save. Now here we have to go to the new, make a assembly from the part or assembly. then flange is here, just click over here. It's now fixed, so right click on this and make it float. So now it's floating. Fine. Now we have to take another one flange from here. So what we have to do is select the control, press control, then from the selecting the flange, just drag and drop here. Fine. Now if we are rotating the complete assembly, if we want to rotate the complete assembly, so we have to press the middle button of the mouse, so the complete assembly will rotate. If you want to rotate the only separate single part, so we have to press the right click of the right button of the mouse and then rotate. So fine, so on the mouse right button we have to rotate this one. Then we have to select this face. Before that we have to go to the assembly, then select mate. Here we have to select this face and then this face. Now these two faces are coincident. Now say OK. Then again we have to select this surface and this surface. It is automatically took the concentric. Say OK. Now here it's first of all I'll make it fixed now. Fine. So next I have to make these two faces concentric. So click both and select the concentric. Fine. Now the flange, two flanges are fixed each other. So next I have to go to the design library. Here bolts are there, so I'll select the hex head bolt, and here fine, I'll take the hexagon head bolt here. I'm just click and drop, so I will take it on that hole, and I'm just leaving it. Fine, it's automatically took the M16 because we are giving the clearance for M16, and also its length is showing 65, thread length is 38. Fine. Then say OK, and automatically it's coming for the second one. So I'm just taking it on the hole. Just focus here. If I'm taking it on the surface, cylindrical surface, it's showing the concentric symbol over here. If I'm taking on this edge, it's showing, just wait a second, now it's showing concentric plus coincident. So on this edge we have to keep, then click, then next bolt is coming on the edge. Fine. On this edge. Fine. Here also on this edge. Fine. On the edge. Fine. Sorry. Bolt size is become big now. So what you can do is, I'm just refresh it. Fine. So next I have to insert the nut over here. Go to the design library, nut here, hex nut here. I will take this one. So what you have to do is just click and drag and just place it over. If it is not perfectly fitting, so just for now it's a M16 nut, then say OK. For the second one, we just check that one symbol, concentric plus coincident, then say OK. Here also same. You can make the you can follow this method also. You can first one, if you done properly, then you can make the circular pattern also. Sometimes what will happen, there is no circular pattern we have to follow. We have to select, keep on select all points, so that time this process will fine. Exit from the sketch. No, here it's perfectly fitting, but here it's still floating. So what you have to do is select this surface and then this surface, coincident, fine. Perfect. So assembly is done. Now we will do the animation of the collapse. Then what we have to do is, first of all we have to go to the assembly, then explode view. We have to create the explode view. Here we have to select this nut first. All the nut I am selecting. I am exploding to the some distance, fine. Then I have to say done here. Then I have to select all this bolt. All bolts are selected. Now I have to drag for this distance, then say done. Now I am selecting this flange, fine. Now OK. Fine. Here we can also check. This is explode view, animate collapse. Fine. Also we can go to here, motion study, then animation wizard, select. Before that I am just a frame per seconds, I'll keep it 50. Then animation wizard, here I'll select collapse. Also if you already done something, if you want to delete the history, you just select this also, then go to the next. Here I'm taking it 5 0, finish. Here I'm calculating it, fine, perfect. Now I'm playing this one. Perfect. Okay, this is how we created the flange and fix it with a nut and bolt assembly, and also we done the motion. So also we done the animation wizard, and also we done the animation wizard in the motion study. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Good day.